Thank you very much. Welcome once again. This is Westwind Information Technology. We are coming to look at how to create a shortcut. Shortcuts are so important in our computer journey. Let's say I want to create a shortcut for this, blessing and rejoice. Let's say I want to create a shortcut for this folder. So I right click on it like this. Then I go to send to. You see desktop shortcut. I click on it like this, and this is it. It has created the shortcut for me. So what is the difference between this and that? The difference is this. This one have added shortcut to it. This one has no shortcut to the name. And then you see this arrow on the lower left corner of the folder with white background. That is also another thing that shows that this is a shortcut. And this is the main icon or the main folder or the main program. Yes, so that is how to create shortcuts. This one, you can even be inside your folder itself, and then you can create a shortcut from this place, from anywhere you are inside of the computer to the desktop. So let's create day lessons. Let's use these lessons as an example and create a shortcut to the desktop. We'll follow the same procedure. 1, you right click on the folder. 2, go to send to. 3, click on desktop into bracket, create shortcut. Click on it. Now let's bring this one down small. See, day lessons shortcut have been created. This is it. So that is how to create a shortcut. Let me close. There's another way of creating a shortcut. That is a little bit advanced. Not too advanced though, but many times when I'm teaching or training new ones, they find that one to be a little bit difficult. But as they are continuing, at times by day 2, day 3, by 1 week, they are able to do it. Now, let's say I want to create a shortcut to this folder, to this desktop. So I right click here like this. I go to new, as you are seeing. Then I come to shortcut. I click on shortcut. This window will open up. It says, what item would you like to create a shortcut for? Then we come to this box. It says type the location of the item. So you can just type the location, but if you don't know how to type the location and you are not so sure, come to browse. This is browse. So click on browse. Then you go and look for what you want to create the shortcut for, the file or the folder that you want to create a shortcut for. So now I'm browsing, I'm going down to see if there is anything we can use as a shortcut. Let me use this one, TCA. TCA is a picture it's a picture. I click on it like this. Make sure it is highlighted at the background like this. It is highlighted. After that, you come and click on the OK here. Now you see that it has automatically filled the location for you. After doing this, you come down to next. Click on next. Then it is suggesting TCA name for you. If you like that one, you continue. If you don't like it and you want to change it to another name, you do it as well. But normally, we don't do anything. We just continue. So you click on finish here. So this is the TCA shortcut we just created. So this is how we create shortcuts. In fact, there are about 2 ways to create a shortcut, and that is what I've just showed you. Thank you very much for watching.